For a very limited time, join our giveaways and take the chances to win with us. Just check the description.
World market analysts at last understand that ongoing monetary frameworks are defective and temperamental. The world necessitates a considerably more steady and dependable cash. Blockchains were created by researchers on a calculation that could resolve the issues concerning sustainability and scalability. Be that as it may, there actually stayed a few inquiries unanswered. Over and over, the half-and-half agreement system of blockchain and different tokens rotating around it has additionally been in warmed conversations. Before we dive into the Tezos cost expectation, let us examine a portion of the extraordinary elements of Tezos. Nonetheless, not very many organizations have really gone into tending to the interoperability gives that present different bottlenecks for the exchange in local area. Tremendous exchange charges and absence of straightforwardness are significant obstacles in experimentally evolved stages. Numerous digital forms of money neglected to review these issues. Digital forms of money like Tezos has progressively invaded the standard cognizance and built up some decent momentum. It has stood the trial of times and will keep on doing so given it sees a mass reception. Despite the fact that exchanges are kept in the general blockchain, neither the shipper nor the beneficiary and not even the sum moved is in any capacity obvious to different clients on the organization. The whole system of Tezos depends on zero exposure proof, consequently permitting numerical consistency of the whole exchange strategy, which is cross-checked without uncovering any information or message on the other party engaged with the exchange. Putting the power at last in the possession of the client, Tezos has standard update plans, and that implies this convention is versatile to meet the changed use instances of today and the unexpected use instances of tomorrow. Tezos can trap fake or misleading exchanges by peers wherein an affirmed block can follow the former block. Tezos Evolution from Gene to Giant. Breaking free from the recent blockchain, Tezos was authored as one more unrest in the realm of second-age blockchain in the year 2018. Affectionately called a local digital currency, Tezos blockchain is fit for facilitating shrewd agreements and dApps. Presently what compels Tezos stand apart from its rivals like ETH, Bitcoin, and others is that here the independent direction is incorporated into the blockchain itself. Every one of the proprietors, i.e., financial backers of Tezos, the local crypto XTZ, vote on choices connected with the blockchain, including convention changes. Endorsed changes are then naturally applied, as the blockchain is self-change proficient. This exceptional characteristic causes the whole convention to bring strength, particularly with no significant stage-situated picture changes. Chipping away at proof-of-stake, POS, causes Tezos to bring the benefit of lesser exchange expenses to the table. In the POS framework, where stakers are called bread cooks can secure their tokens in return for the capacity to approve blocks. XTZ tokens with a typical measure of remunerations get conveyed to bread cooks to wallets that have designated tokens to the pastry specialist. This empowers more modest symbolic holders to take part in the approval and prize process in the event that they hold not exactly the expected sum to turn into a full cook. Tezos, the bygone voyage. Similarly as with some other computerized money, Tezos, XTZ, is the subject of totally various perspectives. Certain individuals like Tezos, while others don't incline toward it much. XTZ is viewed as perhaps of the most discussed advanced money. Certain individuals think the venture comes up short on approach plan and the questionable PR tricks of its organizer. In any case, there are a ton of other people who really have faith in XTZ cost expectation. At present, XTZ cost is exchanging around $3.80, with a practically 3% climb throughout recent hours. The market capitalization of Tezos is $3,360,141,385 with $876,591,071.11 XTZ coursing right now. Since its commencement, the token has been contending hard areas of strength for and its adversary digital currencies. More than once in the year 2020, it had seen the most elevated acceleration in cost around $4. In any case, this pattern didn't keep going long and tumbled to $1.03. By November 2020, The Tezos, XTZ, cost confronted a revision and penetrated a functioning health level, yet shockingly pandemic appeared to be not to influence Tezos. Going against the norm, it showed an out-and-out various development. In June 2020, it kept on having a vertical swing, with Tezos cost exchanging around $2.07. Tezos Price Prediction, 2022 to 2026. Contending and propping in the extreme business sectors, XTZ is a computerized cryptographic money that has raised its own height, being known as an advanced or virtual resource with no planned operations or state borders limitations. One cryptographic money will not show homage focal government pressures or be tied in deficient and administrative financial shackles. Pandemic has brought to front a mechanical unrest has shown a reference point to financial backers as XTZ, and thinks about what? All with simply a web association and a cell phone. Tezos has made it workable for everybody to store and move esteem in a money that is impervious to control. Tezos saw the chance to remove power from the organizations and offer a superior support, and individuals answered. XTZ works generally, i.e., interestingly, there is plausible of a worldwide cash. With a really worldwide money, opportunities for worldwide monetary development and social balance are interminable. Upheld by an improved decentralized accord and supported network, XTZ plans to offer a well-established benefit to its clients by circulating its prizes component. The vision is to help the decentralized applications in XTZ, consuming lesser energy and offering greater unwavering quality, all with a soaring pace. No different either way. This vision is accomplished by giving the ceaseless limit of XTZ's principal organization. Endeavoring to influence the world guide of innovation, the whole biological system guarantees that members benefit from blockchain-empowered useful benefits. XTZ works with gains and fabricates trust. XTZ empowers comfort and sustains confidence, assisting clients with building fortunes, sending different decentralized app capabilities. When the designers join the unit, they are profited from a huge scope of freedoms, incorporating sending D-app into Tezos.net, developing their organizations, dramatically getting some forward momentum as powerhouses and suspected pioneers. It wouldn't be a misrepresentation that this evaluated digital money could break every one of the hindrances and endure everyday hardship, scaling a pinnacle of $10. With government-issued types of money unfit to support themselves directly following the pandemic, this could come as a respite for all XTZ financial backers, driving them to the way of high expectations and yearnings to execute in Tezos. For enlightening purposes, one might peruse the specialized examination with RSI level, group,